First, we do this multiplication. 1 over 3 times 3. We can easily cancel this 3 and this 3. So here we have just 1. And 6 divided by 1 is just 6. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. So here, first we have to do this division, then this multiplication. If we do this multiplication before this division, it is wrong. So first we have to do this division. 6 divided by 1 over 3. According to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. We can write keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. And here we have times 3. Okay? 3 times 3 gives us 9. So we have 6 times 9, which equals 54. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 54. Now it's your turn. Find the value of this expression. 20 divided by 5, then times 2 plus 2. Leave your answer in the comments.